Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing a quick video with you. I recently picked up a new handbag and I think it's a great recommendation, so I wanted to share it with you guys. In a previous video I talked about the direction of my channel changing, especially as it relates to the things I'll be sharing, recommending, and purchases I'll be making myself. So I wanted to get this bag. I kind of had my eye on it for several months now, but there's actually a promotion running, so I just picked it up. So I want to share all that with you. So let's get into the video. Okay guys, so the bag I got is by the brand Longchamp, and this isn't the bag yet, but I want to share. This is my Longchamp Le Pliage tote. I've had this tote since grad school, and that was 2010, guys. So I got this bag, this tote bag, like as my grad school bag, and I wore it. I was in grad school for 3 years, so I used it all the time for those 3 years, and it was such a workhorse. I mean, I would carry my laptop, textbooks, notebooks, like all my school stuff, and it was like wonderful as far as durability, simple to style, very easy, no fuss. The material is so easy. Oh, the leather is also of amazing quality. So since I'm no longer in grad school, obviously, since grad school, I've been using it as a gym bag. So I take it to the gym with me like 3 to 4 times a week at least. So this bag has been used regularly for the last 14 years. So as far as cost per wear, I think I got that bag, I paid under $150. So cost per wear on that bag is insane. Let me look. I think it was a little less at the time, but 14 years. So that's $10 per year. And let's not even start to break down per week the cost per wear. So I think cost per wear, this brand, as far as quality, pricing, and durability, is amazing. I stopped into Bloomingdales and I picked up this bag, and I'm super excited to share it with you guys. So I've been wanting a small Longchamp bag for some time, and I have been seeing this like trend now where people have been using their cosmetic pouch as a bag. So this is it. This is the cosmetic pouch in the color Cognac. And take the tags, little booklet. Let me see what this says. Textile, so it's like that canvas material, and it's trimmed with cowhide leather. So this is actually labeled as a cosmetic pouch, but people have been wearing it as a little mini bag, which I love that, because I was actually thinking of getting it anyways, and it turned into a thing. Probably gonna get like a bag charm for it, or like a strap. They do sell straps on Amazon if you want to check that out. But this is the most adorable little bag. We're gonna pack it together in this video so you guys can see all that fits in here. But I just thought this was such a good bag, and this is actually like my first fall wardrobe edition. I know I'm still enjoying summer very much, but we have to start thinking about the future, and fall is right around the corner. So this is technically a purchase for my fall wardrobe. I love this color for fall, and I don't have many cream brown bags besides like my Louis Vuitton monogram. So I figured this was a nice staple. Like I said, I was very sold as far as durability, quality, wear and tear. Like I had no concerns about that. This cosmetic pouch retails for $100, $100 US. But right now at Bloomingdales, they're having a sale. If you spend $100, so if you purchase this, you get $25 back in a loyalty reward. So that's like a $25 gift card you can use at Bloomingdales in the future. And the cool thing is that's redeemable like right away, because I bought this online for like in-store pickup, and as soon as I picked it up, the gift card was available to use. I haven't used the gift card yet, but it's nice to know that this $75 ended up being my final cost for this. And considering this is something that I can use, it's a very versatile piece. I'm going to be using it as a handbag, but I can also use this for travel, like a little cosmetic pouch for travel, or a pouch inside of my other larger bags, which is really what I want to do as well. Like kind of if I'm traveling or if I'm out for the day, I can put this in a larger bag and then just kind of take it out, kind of like a 2-for-1. So I would be using it in different ways. So I like the versatility of this bag. I'm going to link this below. I'm going to put the Bloomingdales link to this bag down below. It comes in multiple colors. They have black, the classic black. They also have like a beautiful gray color, which is like a nice neutral. They also have like a lighter cream, but I wanted this kind of cognac, light brown, neutral color. I feel like on camera, as I'm looking at it in the viewfinder, a bit distracted by the color. It's coming off a little more like a spice pumpkin color is what I'm seeing, but in person I feel like it's a bit more muted than what it's showing up on camera. So yeah, let's pack this. So I'm curious to see myself what all fits in this bag. And let's just start packing this up and see what fits in here. So first thing I have are my keys. So next item is my Saint Laurent card case, and this card case is like pretty much a wallet for me. I could probably use a more compact card case if I wanted to save some room, but so far so this would definitely be something I'd want to pack, so put that in there. See, I have a little fragrance, like a roller ball, my little pill container, a hand sanitizer, but this is like a real slim hand sanitizer, and a hand cream. Okay, so the final item is this lip product, and this is, what is this? This is the Fenty Beauty lip balm stick. It's quite big. Like, this is not a slim lip product. So those are definitely my essentials. Open it back so you guys can see. And everything fits like easy down in there with room to spare. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. And I actually love that it comes with silver hardware. So this is a bag I would definitely carry. I think it's just an easy grab and go. Like I said, I really like the versatility of using it as kind of a catch-all within other bags or for travel. Also, it's good when you're traveling to take another smaller bag inside maybe your carry-on or tote, because then you have versatility of handbags to bring with you. And this is a great bag to pack kind of like maybe your cosmetics in there, because the material inside is wipeable, so like you can wipe it clean. I don't know what you would call that, but it's a material that you can easily wipe clean. So I would have no problem like actually putting my cosmetics in here to travel with, and then once I get to my destination, unpack that, but then use this as a handbag on my trip. I think it's perfect. And like I said, I highly recommend it because durability, price is reasonable, and quality is amazing. So, and it's just super cute. And this is something I consider, I mean, this is definitely a more contemporary brand, but I do consider this a luxury brand, of course. And I think it's super moderately priced. And it has like the Longchamp. I don't know if you guys can see that engraving in the back. So this is my newest, cutest, I love that bag in my collection. And yeah, I wanted to share that with you guys. So again, I will link the information for, I will link the bag below so you have that information, and you don't have to do anything special as long as you like use that add to cart and you're a loyalist. So you make sure you're like logged into your Bloomingdales like account online and you're a loyalist, you'll automatically get the points to qualify for the $25 reward. So for $75. I think this is definitely was a good pickup, and I'm kind of glad that I didn't go ahead and run out and get it. I like taking my time now with purchases. I'm not as like much of an impulse shopper as I was before, where I take my time, I let it marinate. Because I was letting this marinate, I would say since like April, I was able to catch it on a good deal, and I think $75 was great. This also was listed at $75. They had a few in the Nordstrom anniversary sale, so if you see that, you can still get it if the sale's going on. But the anniversary Nordstrom sale, I feel like once it went live and wasn't in pre-sale, all of like a lot of the items were not available or not listed for the sale price. So I don't know, the sale was weird to me. So I'm glad I was able to pick this up at Bloomingdales. Like I said, I really like the silver tone hardware. Now, just to let you know, they do have other colors with gold hardware, similar to my large tote. So that's always an option. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe. I talk fashion, lifestyle, travel, and sometimes beauty. So if you're into that, please subscribe and join my online community. Also, don't forget to hit that bell so you can turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload from me. As always, if you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, guys.